The dust bag attaches to your miter saw to help control the sawdust created while cutting. The cloth bag has a plastic frame that supports it. There's a clasp on the bottom so the bag can be emptied. Eventually the bag will wear and need to be replaced. It will tend to wear around the frame and near the clasp. Replacing the dust bag is an easy repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the dust bag. Now I can install the new bag. I simply align it with the port and slide it into place. And that's how simple it is to replace the dust bag on your miter saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.